I just found the best travel gadget from Amazon, and everybody needs to put this in their suitcase because this has literally changed my entire life with traveling. And if you're new here, my name is Esther, and I am a travel content creator and photographer, and I've been living abroad for 7 years. I literally came across these sink studs. Look at how small this thing is. I mean, like, it's nothing. All you do is literally put it in your sink, put your clothes in. It is super safe, doesn't shrink them, doesn't dye them, and voila, you have clean clothes. So if you're on a trip somewhere and then all of a sudden you spill like your margarita all over your pants, you can literally stick this in the sink if you're in a place that doesn't have a washer, which they do exist for all the sassy people that are gonna say, everybody has a washer. Not everybody has a washer.
I love this wireless iWatch charger. It is so convenient when I travel because there are no messy cables. You can use a US charging block or plug it into your computer.
I just found the coolest Amazon travel gadget that will make your next trip so much more enjoyable. This little tool allows you to easily use your wireless headphones while flying. It has over 4,000 reviews, and I'm going to show you how to use it. On your next flight, plug the AirFly into the headphone jack, press the pairing button, and it'll automatically sync with your headphones. This makes it easy to enjoy in-flight entertainment while using wireless headphones. Definitely becoming a travel essential for me, especially for long flights.
Amazon travel favorites. This mini leak-proof steamer folds for easy packing and heats up in 30 seconds. And I love that it's safe to use on all fabrics. This super compact travel toothbrush has a cover that keeps your brush clean while in transit, and the bottom has a refillable compartment for your toothpaste. And this bag clip keeps your handbags off the ground while traveling, holds up to 33 pounds, and hangs onto just about anything to include luggage, edges, and even ledges.
Amazon travel finds. I use this foldable jewelry organizer every time I travel. I hated that my necklaces would turn into a tangled mess. This is the medium size, but they also have a larger size. I love that it barely takes up any space in my suitcase, and it's under $20.
Travel must-haves you need from a flight attendant. A doorstop alarm. If you stay in hotels a lot, Airbnbs a lot, this is perfect. You place it underneath your door, but it's very sensitive. It has 3 levels of volume. And trust me, this will wake up the deepest sleeper if anyone tries to get in your room. This isn't sponsored. I got this on my own. It's very loud. Check it out, please.
TS Travel Must-Haves, yeah. All right, so these little cute things are portable soap sheets. Hear me out. Have you ever been traveling and go to a bathroom and either it's stupid disgusting or they don't have any soap and you just want to wash your hands because of COVID and germs? Well, these little sheets, all you have to do is put them on your hand, turn on the water, and lather up. Next up is my portable door stopper that I never even knew that I needed, but I freaking do. Whether you're traveling solo or with some people, it's always nice to feel super secure, and this door stopper makes me feel extra safe. So a lot of hotel rooms don't have actual door stoppers on them. They do have locks, but with this, you can add some extra security by putting the lock on it and the door won't budge.
Okay, if you're doing any traveling this year, you need to check out this Amazon buy. This little portable charger is so good. Plus, you don't need any extra cords when using it. So you just plug it right into the bottom of your phone, and you can actually charge the charger while charging your phone too. I usually get like 2 or 3 full charges out of this thing before I have to plug it back in and charge. It's also super affordable and on Amazon, and I'll link it right here for you guys.
Here are 2 of my favorite Amazon travel must-haves. The first one is this super compact mirror that's easy to fit into any size travel bag. It has 3 different light settings and it's perfect for doing your makeup. The second one is this jewelry holder that fits the perfect amount for your vacation. Follow for more tips.
If you're traveling soon or thinking about traveling soon, here are 3 things that I never ever travel without. The first thing are these packing cubes. Packing cubes are amazing. They're the best way to fit everything you need in your suitcase, and you'll always have like a dirty laundry bag. Number 2 is this light from Amazon. It's so great for you to take photos on the go, especially if you don't have good lighting. And even if I'm going to like a restaurant, I'll bring it and I can show the food. And number 3, this one is from Experience. I never go anywhere without either Tums or charcoal pills. If you have a stomach ache, it will ruin your entire trip, and it's really hard to go and find Tums when you already have a stomach ache.
This is a travel must-have from Amazon. It's a smart lock for your backpack, luggage, or anything else you need to keep safe, and it's 100% TSA accepted. You can unlock it through any paired NFC tag, through the app, or with your smartwatch, and then you can easily lock it with the button on the side or let it auto-lock through the app instead. It has proximity tracking so you'll know when your luggage is left behind or being stolen, as well as an audit trail so you can see who unlocked your lock and where. Now you can safely travel with no keys to lose or code to remember.
Amazon Travel Must-Haves Part 10. First, we have this travel makeup brush container, which actually comes with 3 different eye brushes as well as a face brush. This is perfect for traveling and can even be tossed in a purse or handbag. The bristles on all of the brushes felt really soft and were well protected by the design of the container. Next up was this pink hanging travel organizer for my different toiletries. I love that this bag had 2 pockets on the outside for storage. On the inside of the toiletry pouch, I was able to fit all of my different products that I wanted to bring. They had several different pockets on the side that helped organize and compartmentalize everything, and even a zippered pouch on the top. There was also a hook that was handy for hanging wherever you were going for your travels. You can find both of these items linked in my bio.
Amazon travel hack. These mini perfume bottles come in a pack of 4 and are perfect for traveling or having a little bottle of your favorite perfume in your purse. Simply unplug the perfume nozzle and point the bottom of the bottle to the nozzle of the perfume. Press up and down until full. The small window allows you to watch it as it fills up so you know when to stop. These are great for longer travel trips too, as you don't have to worry about losing your perfume bottles or it breaking during traveling.
Hey friends, this is definitely an episode of TikTok Made Me Buy It. Okay, I saw this on TikTok and I purchased it immediately. It is the TikTok Bluetooth remote control page turner. You can use it for your iPhone, Android, and your iPad. So it's about the size of your AirPod case and it charges the same way inside the case. This is a game changer. I mean, who wants to literally be holding their phone scrolling the entire time? I'm going to show you on my iPad because obviously I am recording on my phone. So what you're going to do is go to your Bluetooth settings and choose D01, and just like that, you're connected. That's how easy it is. Now this device allows you to scroll up or down and select. If you're on TikTok, it allows you to scroll up or down, pause the video, and like it. How cool is that?
Okay, listen up. If you already own the Dyson Airwrap or the dupe, then you're going to absolutely love this travel storage bag for it that I found on Amazon. So if you have the original Airwrap, then you already know that the container it comes with to store it in is quite large and clunky, which makes it super inconvenient to pack if you want to take it with you when you travel. This travel bag that I found is much more narrow, but it still fits everything that I need it to, from the 2 curling ones to the brush heads, and it even has lots of extra compartments for whatever else you need to bring, like combs or clips. And I love that I can easily hang it on the back of the bathroom door from a hook to free up extra counter space as well. This one's a no-brainer if you want to take your Airwrap while you travel or you just want something smaller to store it in. It's linked in my bio under Amazon Faves and then Beauty.
My favorite recent travel find from Amazon is this Weekender bag. I think it's so cute and it checked all of my boxes. It's not too big, but not too small. And I love that it slips over the back of your suitcase handle. That way it makes it convenient when you're rolling it around. It has so many different pockets. There's a smaller zipper pocket in the front and a larger one in the back, which creates lots of space for storage. It does have a removable and adjustable strap. The main opening is very spacious. It would definitely hold a weekend wardrobe, and I think this bag would be great for expecting moms to use as a hospital bag. There are a lot of pockets you can utilize, and it also comes with a matching cosmetics bag. It's weather resistant material. I believe it's nylon, and it's just under $40. I do think it's worth it. My favorite part of this bag is the shoe compartment storage. It comes in so handy, and I love that the shoes are separate from the clothes. It holds 2 pairs of shoes comfortably.